Sis, slow down. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video for you guys. I'm gonna be recreating one of Alissa Ashley's makeup looks, and I really do not be doing makeup like that. Like, I'll put makeup on for a video or to go out, but I don't really be doing eyeshadow and like giving you looks the way Alissa Ashley does. So let's just get on to the video. I'm gonna play the whole vid, try to follow it as much as I can. Hopefully I have all the products that she used, because sometimes I don't. Just gonna get into it. Let's get on with the video. We are gonna follow this video to the best of our abilities.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be reviewing and doing a tutorial on this look that you see right here using the new Morphe 35O2 palette.
Which I have that palette.
And everyone's so excited about it. I did a Twitter poll and you guys really want to see this, so I got it done. And I am so loving this look. I'm so here for it. I'm so here for the red.
Me too, sis. Me too.
Myself, but I think I did a great job. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get it. And I'm also going to go ahead and let you guys know my thoughts on the palette. Be sure to keep on watching. And I use my face primer as my eyelid primer.
Okay, I have my box full of goodies here. I tried to collect everything that she used in the video and throw it in this bag or things similar. I'm just going to use my NYX Shine Killer primer because it's the only primer that I have close to me right now. I mean, I have the Fenty primer, but wait, let me see what the formula is of which one.
I did it because I was too lazy to find eyelid primer, honestly, but it worked. It's a concept, and this is the Sicily primer. I know it's quite expensive, but my theory is you can use any primer that has like a sticky kind of clear sort of vibe going on.
Oh, good. A sticky clear vibe. That's this. If you guys can kind of see. It's clear. It's sticky. We're going to use this.
And it will work, but you guys will see what I mean. It worked out. I don't know. I like it. I think I'm starting doing it now. So we go ahead and just apply this to my eyeball. Use my broken nail finger to blend this in. And I'm just going to pat it in.
All right, I'm ahead of you, sis. One step ahead.
And now we're going to take our Morphe 35O2. And I just
palette. Where's the palette? Oh, I found it.
And I glued the little plastic thingy with all the names on it on here.
That's smart. I didn't do that.
Glue, but that's like all I had. So as long as I know the colors to tell you guys what I use, that's what counts, right? So I'm gonna take the shade Universal. It's right here, right there. And
what brush,
my
sis?
transition color. And I did this eye off camera because I didn't really know what I was gonna do. And I'm speaking. If I would have just got on camera and did a look, it probably would have just been a brown smoky eye. So I want to sit down at my vanity and figure out a concept, and that is what I did. I like it. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to take the shade Universal, and this is a Morphe R35. We can get this lint off it.
I can't even see what brush that is.
I want it off.
Okay. I think that brush is very similar to this brush I have here from Amazon. So we're going to use this. It's a little dirty, but she said to use this shade Universal, and that is this shade right here. So let's do that. I mean, I feel like this isn't gonna match my skin. Like, it's not gonna show up.
Hardwood floors when looking for my apartment, but I noticed that like you get dust everywhere with hardwood. So lesson learned. Okay, make sure you guys are seeing it from my second camera. Let's go over there because it's close up. Yes.
I don't have a second camera.
Energy. Okay, second camera. And I think they call this Universal because, as you can see, I just put it on and where did it go? I feel like this is kind of like one of those shades where I'll use it later on because I use it on this side later on, or not. You'll see. Let me just do my thing, okay?
All right, wait. I'm not done, sis. But yeah, where did it go? You really can't even see the shade on me. Oh, it doesn't look... Hers already looks better than mine. Like, how is that even possible? We did one thing.
I'm going to take the shade, let's see what shade that is. That is a Blaze, and it is a orange color. And I'm going to take the same brush, and I'm just going to pack this on.
Oh, wait, you can't even see. It's this one. What brush is that? Oh, wait, did she say she used the same brush? Sis, so slow down.
It's on. Use it later on because I use it on this side later on, or not. You'll see. Let me just do my thing, okay? I'm going to take the shade. Let's see what shade that is. That is a Blaze, and it is a orange color. And I'm going to take the same brush. And
same brush. All right. Same brush. And it looks like she's just working it in right on top.
Continue to pack on the orange. And as you can see, when I get to this side right here, I'm kind of like pushing it into my brow a little bit. I'm going for this like nice little editorial look or whatever.
Into the brow, alright.
And on top of that, I'm going to take these shades.
No, wait! I gotta build up this color a little. I don't know. Like, alright, what's next?
Which is that nice, beautiful red. And I'm going to play...
What shade? Like, how am I missing everything?
And on top of that, I'm going to take the shade Fire.
Fire.
That nice, beautiful red. And
A Blaze Sauce Fire. Fire is the red. Alright, she's using the same brush, so alright.
I'm not going to do that too intensely just yet. As you can see, I have it really intense right here. But you guys will see the trick I use to do that. Okay, so next I'm going to take...
I'm still working with fire, sis. I'm trying to, like, make it look like hers. And it's not... Now it just looks like I have pink eye. Alright, I think I put too much. I mean, it kind of looks like hers. I'm going to trust her for now. And what's next?
The shade Rich, and that is a deep brown. And I'm only taking a little bit of this, and the reason why I'm sticking with this
still using that same brush?
I don't really need this color to be too intense. If I wanted more intensity, I would take a smaller brush I have, but I kind of want it to be just really diffused, which is why I'm sticking with the same fluffy blending brush.
Alright.
I just want a lot of
made it look
intensity. I want
super
the intensity
chalky.
to be the red, and you guys will see how I do that in just a few. So just a little bit down the inner corner, or outer corner, not inner corner, fool. Outer corner. Next, I'm going back into the shade Universal.
Outer corner. Alright, bet. I feel like I just covered up what I just did, though. Oh, it looks like hers. It looks like it. Alright, bet. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. Alright, what's next?
Next, I'm going back into the shade Universal. And I'm going to sweep
with that same brush
here, and this is why I think it's called Universal, because it just kind of diffuses your eyeshadow a bit. So if you feel like it's too intense, or you need to kind of like make the blend more seamless, you can take that shade and just sweep it over. And as you can see, it just softened it up a bit. So I get why they named it Universal. Next, I'm taking a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape.
No. All right. I guess it did kind of make it a little better. All right, she said something about Tarte Shape Tape. Let's see what she's about to do.
This Morphe brush right here, and this was a part of the little bedazzled.
Ooh, that kind of brush. She's using Shape Tape. I'm gonna use LA Girl because I'm cheap and I don't have Shape Tape.
I'm not sure if it's still on the site, but any small concealer brush will do. And I'm going to carve out my lid. Just a little bit of concealer.
Carve out the lid?
Don't take too much.
Alright. How do I even get my lid to be exposed? Like, without... She's doing this without even touching it. Like, how, bruh? How far up did she take this?
I just cannot see that going well. Just take a little bit. And then I cannot look up because I do not want to mess it up. But I'm going to take the shade Sauce, and that's that
How am I supposed to not look up if I can't see? Like, alright, hold on. Alright, so what is the name of the shade that I'm supposed to be using? Sauce? Okay, I found it. It's this one. Pack this right on top of the concealer, I guess. This looks stupid already. Oh wait, there goes the pigment. Come through, pigment. Hers is like effortlessly crisp, and mine is like crooked. Oh, oh, it kind of looks like hers. Now,
and I'm taking it on this brush, and that's why it's getting red on it, because it has red on it. But I'm just taking a little bit of Shape Tape just to kind of make the eyeshadow adhere, because I liked how that happened on this eye. And I'm taking the orange shade.
Concealer. And she's going under her eyes with it with some pointy looking brush. I'm going to use this one from Amazon. I'll have this brush set linked below. It's very similar to Morphe, whatever. But it's not Morphe price. It's Amazon price. Heard you. Alright, so I guess she's just putting it.
I took a blaze. I'm going to pop that underneath.
Alright. So I think she put concealer again. And then she put a blaze on the bottom lash line area. Okay. I could press play now, I think.
And this is a Morphe M431 brush, but any pencil brush will do that you have.
Pencil
and I'm going to go
brush?
ahead and take the red shadow and just pop that right on top.
Oh, I think she went all the way across with it, and then she's going to go on top. Alright, bet.
And I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Rich, and it's a brown, and I'm going to put a little bit on the outer corner. Now to work on this red to get it to really pop.
No. We're working on Rich right now. Hey. Alright, what's next? Something about red. Let's see what she wants me to do with the red.
We're going to get it to pop more. I'm going to take this Morphe setting spray. I'm taking this DOESNT Colors blending brush. And I'm going to dip into the red. I'm going to really kind of like pack it on the brush. Open my setting spray. I'm going to spray the brush very lightly. Just a little bit. Let it kind of air dry a little bit because you don't want to get directly onto the eye because you may mess up your shadow. So let it air dry. And then I'm going to...
Alright, so she packed the color onto a fluffy blending brush, sort of like this one. She sprayed her Morphe setting spray. And, alright. I'm using my Urban Decay De-Slick. Should work just as well, I guess. And she said to let it dry.
Pack it on.
And she's just building that on top of what we've already done.
Take one more little round because I want it to be really intense. And I'm going to go ahead and switch over to this brush and just kind of sweep over everything. Make sure it's nice and blended.
Sis, slow down! My red is not popping yet. Alright, so my red is popping. Now,
and I'm going to go ahead and switch over to this brush and just kind of sweep over everything.
Alright, so that's that brush that we used in the beginning. That's better. I look crazy. Hers looks so good, but mine looks crazy.
Make sure it's nice and blended. Then taking a Morphe E49, I'm just going to go ahead and pat underneath just to get rid of any sort of fallout. Do not want that. And that is basically the eyeshadow done. I may go in and add more red. It really just depends on what I'm feeling like. But now I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara.
Time for mascara.
Now for blush, I'm taking this
No. Hey. Well, okay, she said something about blush. Let's see what kind of color she's going for.
Palette, and I want to take like these little shades over here, like the more orangey ones.
Orange.
Just a white layer.
I'm gonna go with my Sephora blush. Can you guys see?
I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my Cupid's bow. I'm taking this Laura
No.
Geller Diamond.
Every time she moves on, I'm like, wait, hold on. Yeah, I'm using this blush. You can't even. My bright lights. Oh, there we go. It's like an orange. My bright lights was like washing out this color, but it's a really pretty orange. She went on with her blush. No, both of her eyes are done. Okay, I'm gonna go do my other eye, put blush on my other side of my face, and then I'll come back to you guys and we'll meet up at whatever spot she's at right now. Okay, I did the other eye, I did the blush. I just want to touch it up a little bit. Now let's see what she's talking about with highlighter.
It's over here, like the more orangey ones. Just put a light layer. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my Cupid's bow. I'm taking this Laura Geller Diamond Dust.
Alright, I don't have Laura Geller Diamond Dust. I have MAC highlighter in Oh Darling. I would recommend this highlighter for anybody who wants like a soft highlighter that still is really glowy and beautiful. It is one of those highlighters that you can build up to be super glam, but if you just put a little bit, you look like you're glowing from within, like literally. I did highlighter.
Pop that right there.
Oh, she uses her finger.
Also my nose a little bit.
Ooh. My lip looks like retarded. Oh, she's doing like a brown. Okay, I don't have that color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make it. I have these two NYX brown lip liners that I'm going to mix. One is in the shade Nutmeg and the other in the shade Toast. Alright, that's similar. Let's see what she's doing. That looks pretty similar.
Took a little too much off upon further investigation, so I'm going to take my finger and throw it in.
Oh, that looks good.
And I'm going to go ahead and take some Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb.
Everybody has plenty gloss. Boop.
Okay, so here you have the finished look, and yeah. Okay, wait, you can see that? I'm trying to get some shoulder.
Wait, y'all.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so here we have the finished.
Wow. Well, hold on. Let me show some shoulder like Alissa. You guys, I think I did really good. Like, it really looks like hers. Y'all. Maybe I should be getting into makeup. Like, I'm just kidding. But wow. It really does look like hers. Obviously, her eye color and everything makes it pop more, and she's just like drop dead gorgeous. So like, you know, we can't replicate that part. But I think it looks really freaking good. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know who you want me to recreate next. I think I'm gonna make this a thing because I am not super creative when it comes to makeup, but following other people's tutorials, we have a look. Thank you, Alissa. Appreciate it. This was really fun, and honestly it was harder than I thought. Wow, I shocked myself, y'all. Shocked myself. Wow. So I'll have all the links that I can find to the makeup brushes that I use down below. Every brush that I use in this video is from Amazon, so I'll have those links down below for you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I had a great time filming this, and the outcome is just so bomb. So I'm really excited for you guys to see this. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if you enjoyed. Meet me in the comments down below and subscribe to my channel, please, please, please. I believe we are at 740 something subscribers, so we are almost at 750, which is almost at 800. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Become a part of the family, and I will see all of you lovely people in my next video. Bye.